Here we go. We're watching TWTR in after hours. It spiked down. The high was 42.62 going into this quarterly report. We can clearly see right now that huge spike on Twitter down to $40, and it's down 2.62 in the after hours market. Print right here at 40 point. Now, whoa, 39, and there it goes. We were short Twitter, and the thing about it is it's printing 39. Yes, it is. There it is. Here we go right now. We can clearly see on this 3 minute after hours chart how Twitter, you can see the level 2 right here. You can see this 3 minute. I mean, it was right below that $44 mark, and this thing is filled down. And one of the things that we're going to continue to watch and see about Twitter in this quarterly report is exactly what those numbers are coming out. Now, having said that, the $44 put options, which were in the money along with the 43.40s, they were also in the money, and we can clearly see that Twitter had ran up during the day in anticipation of a good report. And as a matter of fact, that after hours high, like I said, right below that $44 mark, exactly where we had our shorts there. So right now I'm going to get into the numbers. I'm going to come back, and I want the MMTs to see clearly right here and now how that Twitter, that spike, and then it's coming off of the bottom. So we're going to cover that short right now, and we're going to take our profits, and I'm going to come back to this trade momentarily. $40.50. It's here. It's now for all you Twitter lovers. I think we did extremely good. We came out of it. Right now, printing down here at $40. What a nice slam. They bought this thing going into the report today. And once again, we've told people it's going to take a long time for this Twitter to get its footing in the quarterly earnings report. Not only that, where the prices were today, we're right back at where the original IPO had started, back when the IPO started and Twitter started trading. Remember that we have all of the analysis on stockmarketfunding.com. And we warned people for several months that it was going to end up in a bad way until they can prove that they have earnings behind this name right now. So basically, I'm looking for some of the numbers, MMTs, and we're going to go over it. Twitter, they came in, they see fiscal 14 revenues of 1,200 to 1.2 million versus 1.24 billion, of course. So really, on that headline number, which gave this quite a knee-jerk reaction, Twitter sees Q2 EBITDA of 25 to 30 million, sees revenues of 270 to 280 million versus the 273 million that Capital IQ consensus adds. I mean, it's not a total it's not a total disaster and whatnot. It's just that, these IPOs that first come out, and just remember how Facebook originally had traded. And the thing about it is those put options, those $43 put options are paying, getting short the name on that spike. You can see it right here, right below 45. And you can clearly see it right now that we continue to go lower, and we will do a complete breakdown with the MMTs. Right now, I want the MMTs to enjoy their short sell on Twitter, and why we took the other side of that trade, why the public was all in on Twitter. And we have decided to go ahead and sell short Twitter, which we have done. And there it is right now at 38 and some change. And we're coming down on the lows, so we're doing quite well.